Question 25. Baron de Montesquieu believed that separation of powers would, it is the first answer, prevent tyranny or tyrants, absolute power to, a single leader by acting as a check on power. The government of the United States is set up on this principle. We have the executive branch, legislative branch, and the judicial branch. And each one is supposedly has equal amounts of power, so that there's not one, too powerful branch. We had enough of kings, and we didn't want, when we were forming our government in the 1700s and even early 1800s, we didn't want a king to happen again. So we split the power in our government, but that could be tied back to Enlightenment thought and Enlightenment writing. So Baron de Montesquieu is credited with that. So separation of powers prevents tyranny by acting as a check on power.